My name is Nidheesh Inder Kapoor. I am from Faridabad and I am 24 years old. I did my diploma degree of mechanical craftsmanship from Okra, Delhi. Then after that, I wanted to explore myself that in which thing I am good, because I like cooking and I want to explore cooking line. So then I joined Tedco because I get to know this from Instagram pages and from my friends and dad's friends. Then I came here. I got to meet Himanshu Shara, HOD of Tedco. Then he also briefly explained me about Tedco, what it's all about, and how they teach students, how they make students professional in cooking line. And then I joined it finally. My future plan is to open my own business, but for that I need to experience many things. Like first I will do my job for around 3-4 years. Then I want to open my restaurant or cafe. Recently I got to participate in IAC 2022, that's Indian International Hospitality Expo, and there I was selected in pasta making category, and I got bronze medal. So that goes through the guidance of Himanshu sir, Aditya sir, Mukesh sir, and all the teachers who taught me. Yes, I would definitely recommend Tedco to others because of its proper, the way they teach, the way they explain us, and many things. It's the best education school and cannot present.